What if I told you that layoffs don't have to be a surprise? No surprise layoff? Is that even possible? The answer is yes. There's a way to see them coming legally. It's called the WARN Act, and I'm going to show you how to use it to protect yourself before the bad news hits. Let's dive in. What is the WARN Act? The WARN Act stands for Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification. It's a federal law that requires companies to warn employees about mass layoffs at least 60 days in advance. If a company is laying off 50 or more people within a 30-day period, they must file a public notice. That means you can check if your company is planning layoffs before they even tell you. Where to find WARN notices? All right, here's where it gets practical. Every state has a WARN database. Just Google your state WARN Act notices. Look for your company's name. If they're listed, that means layoffs are coming. It's like a crystal ball for your job security. What to do if you see your company on the WARN list, so you found your company on the WARN list. Don't panic. Here's what to do next. Update your resume. Time to polish that LinkedIn profile. Start networking. Quietly reach out to recruiters. Consider upskilling. Take an online course to boost your skill set. Save money. If layoffs are confirmed, start preparing financially. Layoffs don't have to blindside you. Use the WARN Act to stay ahead, prepare, and take control of your career. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more career-saving tech job tips.